Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, December 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex.
Hello, David.
How are you today?
I am good but very busy.
I am very busy too.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Here is 1 cup for you.
Thank you.
Do you take sugar?
Yes, I want 2 spoons of sugar.
I like my coffee black.
That is too strong for me.
It helps me work fast.
I have 5 meetings today.
I have 3 projects to finish.
The office is very quiet today.
Yes, many people are at home.
It is the 24th of December.
People want to be with family.
I am here for 8 hours.
Me too.
Did you see the news today?
I read the WSJ this morning.
Was it about the global tax?
Yes, 140 countries agree now.
They want a 15% tax.
It is for the big companies.
Those companies have thousands of workers.
And they make millions of dollars.
Now they pay more to the world.
I think it is a good plan.
It is a big change for 2025.
The news says it helps schools.
And it helps hospitals too.
Our company is small,
Yes, we only have 50 people.
so we do not pay that tax.
That is good for us.
But the big tech companies are not happy.
They never like to pay.
That is true.
I also saw CNN's today.
What was on the news?
They talked about the new AI glasses.
Oh, the glasses for warehouse workers?
Yes, 10 big companies use them now.
I saw the video.
The workers find boxes very fast.
The glasses show 1 green line.
And they show 1 red line for errors.
It makes the work 20% faster.
But it is hard for the eyes.
I do not want to wear those.
Me neither.
8 hours with a screen on your face is too much.
My eyes are tired after 1 hour.
Technology is very strange in 2025.
1 pair of glasses costs $2,000.
That is a lot of money.
I prefer my old computer.
I like simple things too.
Speaking of simple things,
Yes?
did you read the NYT?
No, what happened?
Many young people use flip phones now.
Flip phones?
Yes, like the phones from 20 years ago.
Why do they like them?
They want to stop using social media.
That is a smart idea.
40% of young people want them.
I spend 6 hours on my phone.
That is a lot of time.
I know, my brain is tired.
A flip phone has 0 apps.
You can only call and text.
It is a 100% digital detox.
I want to try that for 2 days.
No internet for 48 hours.
Yes, just books and coffee.
That sounds very relaxing.
But I need my email for work.
That is the problem.
We are always connected.
I want to leave my phone at home.
Maybe for 1 weekend.
I can try that in January.
2026 is almost here.
Time goes very fast.
I have 10 minutes before my meeting.
I have 5 minutes.
Is the coffee good?
Yes, it is very hot.
The machine is 4 years old?
We need a new one.
Maybe next year.
I hope so.
Do you have plans for tonight?
I have a dinner with 4 friends.
That sounds nice.
We are going to a restaurant at 8.
I am staying at home.
Are you cooking?
Yes, I am making 1 big chicken.
For how many people?
For 6 people.
That is a lot of cooking.
I like to cook.
I am bad at cooking.
It is easy if you have time.
I never have time.
Because you have 5 meetings.
You are right.
I need to go to my desk now.
Okay. I need to call 3 clients.
Good luck with your calls.
Thank you. Good luck with your projects.
See you at lunch?
Yes, I won.
Perfect.
Have a good morning.
You too?
Bye, Alex.
Goodbye, David.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.